about 12 minutes to get on Steel Force.
Oh no, I was recording the wrong way.
It works. It's 360. I can fix it.
Yay!
All right, so we are here on Steel Force. We're ready to get this challenge underway. I think I'm ready. Are you, Mike?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. All right, here we go, everyone. You ready? Just keep your hand here. All right, that works.
We're trying some new things.
We're trying some new things. We're also comparing two 360 cameras.
The camera just shut off.
It's still recording.
Oh, it is?
Yep, the screen just shuts off.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here testing out the scientific method. Life is one giant scientific method. We've upgraded from the Beastie Boy to the Sony GoProMAX.
Sony GoProMAX. Just let it.
Gotta take my hat off. Can't lose it. This is very precious.
I
mean, I rode this back when like COVID happened, and it was just as good as I remember it. That ride was very good.
Oh yeah. Love this ride, everyone. All right, time to go to sets.
All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to check out New Jersey Coasters, link in the description. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel too. And as always, peace out.